Imagine a world where artificial intelligence and human intelligence are intertwined, where robots understand us better than we understand ourselves, and where our lives are improved in ways we never imagined. Although it may seem like a distant future, it is actually now in progress. Everything as we know it is changing thanks to the AI revolution, which has arrived. Artificial intelligence's first steps. Humans have been captivated by the idea of building machines with human-like skills for millennia, from ancient mythology to contemporary science fiction. However, I didn't start to take shape as a scientific endeavor until the 20th century. Researchers in the early stages of artificial intelligence, AI, were primarily interested in creating robots that could mimic human cognitive functions, including reasoning, perception, and learning. The sensation of being alive and engaging with others was truly amazing. The logic theorist and general issue solver, two early AI systems that were created in the 1950s and showed the potential of artificial intelligence. These systems could only handle very straightforward issues due to the computational limitations of the time. ELIZA, created by Joseph Weizenbaum in the 1960s, was one of the first instances of an AI system having usable applications. ELIZA was a natural language processing program that mimicked a human-to-human conversation by generating responses based on the user's input using a pattern-matching algorithm. ELIZA, a psychotherapist impersonating AI, was regarded as a milestone in AI research because it showed how easily and naturally AI could communicate with people. Although the capabilities of these early AI systems were constrained, they showed how machine intelligence could be used to address challenging issues and engage with people in novel ways. AI research had a renaissance as technology developed, resulting in innovations like deep learning and neural networks, virtual assistants, self-driving cars, language models like ChatGPT, and nearly every area of our life are now being rapidly impacted by AI. Future possibilities are genuinely endless. What sectors will I alter? As we learn more about the AI revolution, it becomes clear that no sector from agriculture to healthcare will be spared. The way we live, work, and play is changing as a result of AI's revolutionary potential. Here, we'll focus on just a few instances of how AI is causing a stir in many industries. Medical care, diagnostics, drug discovery, and customized medicine are being revolutionized by AI's capacity to process and interpret enormous volumes of data. For instance, IBM Watson helps with oncology treatment planning, while AI-powered technologies like Google's DeepMind can detect eye illnesses with astounding precision. Additionally, wearable technology powered by AI is enabling people to proactively monitor and manage their health. Automation in manufacturing that is AI-driven is speeding production processes, boosting effectiveness, and lowering human error. Manufacturers may optimize resource allocation, reduce downtime, and increase production by utilizing AI in fields including supply chain management, robotics, and predictive maintenance. Agriculture, precision agriculture, crop monitoring, autonomous tractors, and drones are just a few of the farming operations that are being made smarter and more sustainable by AI-powered advances. AI is assisting farmers with crop output increases, resource conservation, and climate change adaptation. Education. By providing individualized learning experiences and improving student outcomes, artificial intelligence is changing the face of education. AI is used by adaptive learning platforms like Newton to monitor student performance and adapt the content to each student's specific needs. While ChatGPT and other AI-powered teaching programs can offer immediate feedback and direction. Entertainment. The way we produce and consume media, including music, video games, and movies, is being revolutionized by artificial intelligence. Nowadays, artificial intelligence, AI algorithms are able to create realistic digital figures, compose music, and even write scripts. As we continue to investigate the AI revolution, these examples are just a small sample of the various industries that AI is ready to impact. We'll look at the broader effects of these changes on society as a whole and the influence of AI. As we've seen, AI is revolutionizing sectors at a rate that is simply unheard of. Beyond these particular uses, however, the AI revolution is also having significant effects on society as a whole. Let's explore some of the most important ways AI is changing our environment and the meaning of what it means to be human. Employment. Concerns about job loss have surfaced as AI and automation grow more common. While it's true that AI-driven technologies may result in the loss of some professions, it's equally critical to realize the possibility of new career prospects. We will need to adapt and pick up new abilities if we want to succeed in this quickly changing environment, because AI will probably generate totally new fields and roles. Inequality. If access to AI technology and the advantages they offer are not fairly dispersed, the AI revolution could worsen already existing disparities. It is imperative to make sure that everyone, regardless of socioeconomic status, can take part in and profit from the AI revolution. Social exchanges. Virtual assistants and chatbots, both of which are powered by artificial intelligence, are increasingly present in our daily lives. These innovations can improve our interactions and offer assistance in many areas of life, but they also raise concerns about the ramifications of relying on artificial intelligence, AI, to meet our social and emotional needs. AI has a significant and varied impact on society, offering both benefits and challenges. Continually as we go, striking a balance between utilizing AIS's enormous potential and taking care of the ethical, social, and environmental effects of its widespread adoption is crucial. The fascinating possibilities that lay ahead will be discussed in the section that follows as we consider what the near future of AI might look like. The AI of the near future. It's important to consider what lies ahead in the near future, from mind-blowing inventions to groundbreaking advancements. As we go forward with the AI revolution, the options are genuinely endless. Let's look at some intriguing future discoveries and projections for the field of enhanced human-AI collaboration. It's likely that AI systems will become even more ingrained in our daily activities, collaborating with people to simplify processes and solve challenging challenges. As AI develops, it will make it possible for humans and machines to work together seamlessly, unleashing new levels of productivity and creativity. AI-produced content. As AI develops further, artificial intelligence-generated material may become more prevalent in a variety of fields, including the arts, music, and literature. High-quality material suited to individual preferences might be produced by cutting-edge AI systems, like those that will replace the ChatGPT series, resulting in an explosion of personalized experiences. Computer interactions with AI-enhanced brains. AI and brain-computer interfaces coming together. BCIs may result in advancements in human communication and cognition. Imagine being able to communicate with an AI-powered system merely by thinking about it, or imagine being able to use AI to improve your cognitive abilities. AI democratization. We can anticipate a boom in invention from people with a variety of backgrounds and skill sets as AI development becomes more widely available. The AI revolution and its effects on society will accelerate faster as a result of this democratization of AI and its wider variety of applications. AI's immediate future holds out a world of previously unimaginable opportunities and game-changing advances. But when we open up new horizons, it's important to think about the dangers and difficulties that can come with these developments. The ramifications of artificial general intelligence, privacy risks, and other topics will be covered in the section that follows. To ensure a safe and secure future, we must address a variety of privacy issues that could result from the broad implementation of AI technologies. Let's examine some of the main privacy dangers connected to the gathering of AI data. AI systems frequently use enormous volumes of personal data to learn and predict the future. The potential for unwanted access, misuse, and even the development of intrusive digital profiles that can jeopardize personal privacy are raised by this insatiable demand for data. Surveillance. Privacy in public areas may be eroded by the growth of AI-powered surveillance technology like facial recognition and emotion detection. While these tools may be useful for improving public safety, they also pose threats to individual privacy and may allow for intrusive surveillance or even discrimination. Deepfakes. Deepfakes, another name for artificial intelligence-generated synthetic media, can produce incredibly realistic and convincing images, videos, and audio recordings. While deepfakes have the potential to improve content creation, they also raise serious privacy issues since malevolent actors may use them to fabricate information, impersonate people, or violate privacy. Algorithmic openness. Many AI systems' internal workings might be complex, which results in a lack of transparency in how they handle personal data and make choices. Due to the lack of transparency, it may be difficult to ensure that AI systems uphold privacy norms and do not unintentionally violate sensitive data. Establishing strong frameworks, rules, and technological safeguards that prioritize privacy while utilizing the capabilities of AI is essential to navigating these privacy threats. As we continue to embrace the AI revolution, striking a balance between privacy and innovation will be a crucial problem. Artificial General Intelligence's potential AGI. We must take into account the potential of artificial general intelligence, AGI, a possible future state of AI that might match or surpass human intelligence in all disciplines as we continue our investigation of the AI revolution. AGI is still a subject of debate, yet it has enormous potential effects on people and society. Let's explore some of the opportunities that AGI may present for resolving challenging issues. We might be able to solve complex issues that have escaped us up until now thanks to AGI. By integrating the best aspects of human and machine intelligence, AGI could help us break through new barriers and overcome problems that, at the moment, appear unsolvable, from treating diseases to reducing climate change. Everything is individualized. AGI might offer highly tailored experiences in a variety of industries, including entertainment and healthcare. AGI might give individualized recommendations, material, and services that are catered to each of our distinct profiles by comprehending our specific likes, habits, and needs. Scientific findings. By expediting research and facilitating breakthroughs in a variety of domains, including physics, chemistry, and astronomy, AGI could transform scientific discovery. AGI systems have the potential to analyze enormous amounts of data, produce theories, and perform simulations to aid in our understanding of the cosmos and our role within it. Creative projects. By utilizing the immense creative potential of both human and machine intelligence, AGI could revolutionize creativity by enabling us to produce completely new types of art, music, literature, and more. AGI might start a new era of creative expression and creativity. Although these possibilities are intriguing, it's important to take into account any risks and difficulties that can result from the broad use of AGIs. We sincerely appreciate your support if you have read this far. Leave a comment below using the term 100%, so we're confident that you saw the entire video. Watch the suggested video that is now displayed on the screen if you like this one. I'll see you in the next.